Hello you guys, welcome back to Video Tech Up. Today we will be talking about how to resize videos for social media in the easiest way. Resizing videos can be a real challenge. You spend hours perfecting your video masterpiece, only to find that it looks wonky or cropped awkwardly when you upload it. Undoubtedly, this can be a frustrating experience. The reason behind this predicament lies in the varying supported aspect ratios of different social media platforms. And here let's take a look at the specifications of some major social platforms to better understand this issue. For Instagram, in-feed videos can be in 16:9, 1:1, or 4:5 aspect ratios. IG Stories video ads should be 16:9, while IG Reels should have a 9:16 aspect ratio. On TikTok, both organic videos and TikTok feed ads should be in 9:16. And TikTok feed ads can also be in 1:1 or 16:9 aspect ratios. YouTube standard videos can be either 16:9 or 4:3, while YouTube Shorts should be in a 9:16 aspect ratio. Twitter and Facebook also share different aspect ratios and resolutions for the videos uploaded. Thus, resizing your video to the correct aspect ratio and resolution for each platform can help greatly optimize the viewing experience and engagement with your video content. And before we dive into today's tutorial, please allow me to introduce to you the software that we will be using here, and that is Video Proc Converter. This all-in-one video editor comes with a simple video cropping tool that enables you to resize videos effortlessly through easy drag and drop, with instant preview. It offers preset portrait and landscape modes for various social media platforms, in addition to square videos. Moreover, the tool allows you to cut, trim, and convert videos to the appropriate format, making 4K and HDR videos more compatible with the platform you work with. Alright, so now free download Video Proc Converter through the link in the description box down below, and let's get into the tutorial. First, launch the software, click Video, and import the video clips you wish to resize. Next, in the lower area, select an output format suitable for the platform you plan to upload the videos to. Well, here I am gonna go with MP4. And if you can't find the profile you desire, check out the target format section, where you can find a bunch of formats to work with. Now, we go to the editing panel and click Crop, and enable Crop. Now you can resize the video for the target social media by choosing an aspect ratio in preset. Well, suppose you are uploading a video to Instagram, then you can choose an aspect ratio like 1:1 or 16:9 here. Alternatively, you can also drag the box on the video to resize it freely. Once finished, click Done, confirm the changes, and return to the main interface. Click on Run to export the finished project. Alright, this is all for today's video, and leave a comment down below to let us if it helps. And if you want to know more about video processing, click that subscribe button to subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. And we will see you in our next video.